Hello, in this video I show you how to reset the oil light and also the service inspection light on Volkswagen Caddy. The reset for the service inspection and for the oil light is done different way, and I'll show you how to do both. First we'll reset the oil light. Here on the dash it doesn't show oil light, only in the service inspection light, but I'll show you first how to do the oil light. So first we press the brake and keep holding the brake, and then we press this button on the right and turn the ignition on while we press keep the button pressed. Next we release the button and we press the button on the left while we press the brake. We press the button on the left and then we press the button on the right, and we can then turn the ignition off, and that's the oil inspection light off. Next we will reset the service inspection light. To reset the service inspection light, first we need to press the hazard lights, and then we're gonna press the brake pedal and hold it throughout the whole procedure. Then we're going to press and hold the button on the right while the ignition is off, and then we're going to turn the ignition off while the button is pressed. And now we can release the button, press the button on the left, then press the button on the right and hold it for a very little bit, and that's the reset, service inspection reset done. Now we can turn the ignition off and the hazard lights off. Now we'll turn the ignition on to see that all the lights are gone. And that's how you do a reset on the oil and the service inspection on Volkswagen Caddy. Thank you for watching.